This is a quick tutorial to show you how to access a Blackboard Collaborate meeting room from your mobile device. This example is using an iPhone 5, but the process would be very similar if you're using an Android phone or tablet or also an iPad. This example assumes that you've already installed the Blackboard Collaborate app. You can find that in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. That is a free app. And once you install that app and you open it, you'll see this screen, but this is not what you want to use to try to access the Collaborate room for our Blackboard course. Instead, we're going to go straight to the course either from the Mobile Learn app, if you're using that, or you can also be logged into the course directly through your browser. In this case, that would be the Safari browser. I'm going to continue with the example of accessing this from the Blackboard mobile app, the Mobile Learn app. And as you can see, I've accessed the course as a test student account. And then from the left menu, you can see that I've already selected Collaborate. And when that loads, you'll see this screen. And there is our room for this course. If I pinch out to zoom in, you can see that there's a button now that says Launch Room. And when I select that, it may take several seconds for this to load, but eventually you'll be taken automatically into the Collaborate room. Now once you're in the web conference in this Collaborate room, you'll see the microphone button up at the top, where if you select that, now you're able to talk into the meeting room and other people would hear you. If you want to turn that off, you just push it again. Okay. In the middle of the screen is where you're going to see any content that's being displayed from the instructor or any students that have control at the moment to the whiteboard in the meeting room. Now down at the bottom you'll see a few buttons to insert different emoticons. You can indicate, let me get rid of that. So the emoticons, if you press this button, that means that you're away at the moment. You can turn that off. You can raise your hand. And at various times we might do in-class polls or indicators using the check mark buttons. You can see a green check or a red X and so on. Now down at the bottom there's a chat option where you can select and then enter a message and we'll hit send. So this works just like instant messaging. And up at the top, you'll see the button to the right will expand and show you who's in the room at the moment, and also give you an idea of what indicators they've currently displayed if you needed to see that. Okay. And then on the left side, you'll see a button to expand the menu to show what room you're currently in. And then down at the bottom is where you leave the room. Over to the right, you'll want to check the settings that are available. You may want to adjust some of these, particularly the audio alerts. As you heard, the microphone gave an alert when I turned it on and off. That's because I have turned this button on for microphone alert. You may want to know when people have entered or left the session, or some other activities that you want to have an alert for. Okay, if you select done, you're back to here. Now I just wanted to show you again from this main room. When you're ready to leave this meeting, you'll just go to this button up here, if I can get it to work for me, and then you're going to press leave and say OK. And now you have left the session. So I hope this tutorial helps you to know how this is going to work if you want to access the Collaborate meeting rooms from your smartphone or tablet.